Welcome to this lesson on understanding opportunity cost. This is a fundamental economic concept that affects every decision you make in life. Whether you're deciding how to spend your money, your time, or your energy, opportunity cost plays a crucial role. By the end of this video, you'll understand what opportunity cost really means and how recognizing it can help you make smarter spending decisions and better choices overall. So what exactly is opportunity cost? In simple terms, opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative you give up when making a choice. Every time you choose one option, you're automatically saying no to something else. That something else, the thing you didn't choose, represents your opportunity cost. It's not just about money. It applies to time, effort, and resources too. Understanding this helps you see the full picture of any decision you make. Let's look at a simple example that many students face. Imagine you have a free evening ahead of you. You can either watch a movie for entertainment or study for an upcoming exam. Both options have value, but you can only choose one. This is where opportunity cost comes into play. The choice you make will determine what you gain and what you lose. If you decide to watch the movie, you gain entertainment, relaxation, and enjoyment. However, you lose the study time you could have used to prepare for your exam. The opportunity cost of choosing the movie is the better exam grade you might have achieved if you had studied instead. You're trading potential academic success for immediate entertainment. Neither choice is wrong, but being aware of the trade-off helps you make a more informed decision. Now let's apply this concept to money. Suppose you have $100 to spend. You're considering two options: buying a new gadget that you want, or saving and investing that money for the future. Both choices offer benefits, but they're very different in nature. One provides immediate satisfaction, while the other builds long-term wealth. If you choose to buy the gadget, you get immediate satisfaction and enjoyment from your purchase right now. However, the opportunity cost is the future wealth growth potential you're giving up. That $100, if invested, could grow over time through compound interest and market returns. By spending it today, you're sacrificing that future financial growth. Again, neither choice is inherently right or wrong, but understanding the trade-off allows you to align your decision with your long-term goals. Understanding opportunity cost matters because it leads to better decision-making in all areas of life. When you consciously think about what you're giving up with each choice, you become more intentional with your resources. It helps you make smarter spending choices by considering not just what you're getting, but also what you're sacrificing. This awareness is especially valuable for financial decisions, time management, and prioritizing your goals. Here's the key takeaway: every choice has a hidden cost. Nothing is truly free because choosing one thing always means giving up something else. Before making any decision, especially important financial ones, ask yourself this simple question: what am I giving up? This one question can transform how you approach decisions and help you make choices that truly align with your values and long-term objectives. Remember, opportunity cost isn't about always making the right choice. It's about making informed choices with full awareness of the trade-offs involved.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.